Property managers of affordable housing face tons of obstacles when managing their properties. However, there is property management software that's been tailored specifically for Section 8 and other subsidized programs. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Andrew Chung with DoorLoop. In this video, we're going to talk about something of high importance, the best affordable housing property management software. We'll discuss why such specialized software is necessary to handle the complexities involved, what features are essential in choosing a program, list popular solutions on the market today, and offer tips about selecting an appropriate one based on individual needs. Affordable housing properties require a special type of approach to efficiently manage them. Property management companies now have access to cloud-based property management software, which simplifies operations, reduces costs, and enhances tenant satisfaction. Affordable housing management comes with many difficulties, including sticking to regulations and tracking tenant income information. Property managers must know fair housing laws, tenant rights, and landlord-tenant protocols to prevent legal problems. By using affordable online property management software, property managers can automate rental leasing processes, accounting duties, building upkeep tasks, and communication and marketing activities. This offers significant time-saving opportunities for those managing real estate properties. When looking for affordable housing property management solutions, it's important to look into the features that will help address specific property management issues such as expense tracking, maintenance requests, online rent collection, financial reporting, and tenant and owner portals. Now that you understand the need for property management software, let's discuss the top software solutions in this space. Again, as a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video was produced by DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an affordable housing property management software that helps make overseeing your properties easy. It lets you track rent payments and subsidies. DoorLoop lets you connect any bank account to collect and reconcile payments all in one place. Also, it lets you send announcements to all tenants at once or communicate individually via email, phone, or secure tenant portal. You can receive maintenance requests and collect rent and other fees online. DoorLoop's pricing starts at just $49 monthly for your first 20 units. Next is MRI Affordable Housing. It's an online platform that simplifies managing affordable housing, helping property managers stay on top of local, state, and federal compliance requirements. MRI offers efficient tools such as dashboards for improved management with tenant services. Now, MRI Affordable Housing does not display its pricing online, so you'll have to contact the company for that information. RealPage Affordable Property Management is another software solution for those dealing with affordable housing. It has tools that assist in the process of rent collection, tenant subsidies, and certification simplification. RealPage's other features include facilities management, spend management, utility management, and sustainability services. However, RealPage does not display its prices publicly, so you'll have to contact the company directly for pricing information. Rent Manager is another choice for affordable housing property management software. It has good accounting features, a tenant portal, and a smartphone app. Rent Manager doesn't list their pricing online, so you'll have to contact them directly to learn more. Finally, AppFolio is a well-rounded property management tool for residential and commercial properties with a few unique features such as smart bill entry. Other features include automated late fees, good reporting tools, and owner and tenant portals. AppFolio offers anywhere from $1.40 to a higher than normal $3 per unit per month, but they have a $250 minimum monthly payment. When selecting a suitable and cost-efficient property management software for affordable housing, here are some handy tips. You need to evaluate your property portfolio to understand your specific requirements, establish a reasonable budget, and prioritize features that offer the most value. We also recommend you demo a software before you purchase it. With a comprehensive accounting suite, in-app communication options, easy work order management, tenant and owner portals, screening and marketing tools, and additional features, we believe DoorLoop is an all-in-one solution that can work for you. Schedule a free demo by clicking on the link in the description below. And to conclude, regardless of which rental property management software you choose to support your business, we hope this guide helps you in your property management journey. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.